Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I have entries for my birthday challenge and I'm going to share those with you now. So this next entry comes from, hang on just a second here. Try to keep everything in order and ready to go. So this next entry comes from Eve Ara. She has sent some really pretty cards, and the first thing I'm going to share with you is she did send me a card with a note, and this card was pre-made by Crafty Sue 519. It's so adorable, guys. She included her note in this pretty card, pre-made card. I love that embossing folder. That's so pretty. So it says, "Some bunny is thinking of you," and it's got an image of a little bunny. That's a stamp, I believe. This is so pretty. So let me show you. It is created by Crafty Sue 519. Guys, I put a piece of paper down so I can know where I need to stay. So here is a Crafty Sue's card that Eve used for her note, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Eve. Thank you for the note. And here is the first card, and it says "Be kind," and it is a little shaker card with all the shaker bits in there. It is so pretty, guys. These little bees are adorable, and she made the card into a shaker. And then here's the inside. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. Great idea, Eve. Thank you so much. And there's her stamp on the back, made with a creative heart by Eve Ara. YouTube, Eve Ara, and Instagram, Eve Ara 101. Pretty. Guys, again, I encourage you to go look up these ladies. They are incredible crafters. And it doesn't hurt to support each other, right? Yep, it does not hurt. This is the next card she included, and of course it's got my favorite purple on there. It looks like she stamped this image on there and colored it in. She used looks like a Maggie Holmes butterfly, but not positive. She did sew around the edges of this top panel that is up on foam. She used these cute little blings that I use all the time, and it says "Thankful for you," and then the inside I believe is blank. Yes, it is, and she's got her stamp on the back as well. Thank you, Eve. I appreciate that. And look at this one, guys. This one is so pretty. This one's a Christmas one, and gosh, this is so pretty. So she cut it out, whatever dye she used, she cut it out, and then she backed it with a red cardstock on the back to make it look like that. So pretty. Just love that. And then again, I believe the inside is blank, and then it does have her stamp on the back. I appreciate that. Eve, thank you so much for your entry. I love them all. Very pretty. And then this next one comes from Isabel Borrero, and Isabel also did an amazing job, and she sent me a note card, and this is her note card. It looks like this was embossed on the front. There's several layers on here, and it says "Handmade by Isabel, the Shabby Hippie." Okay, guys, let's go look up the Shabby Hippie, and let's go ahead and subscribe to these ladies. Yes. So here is here are, oh, this is an envelope. Okay, guys, I don't know what I was thinking. She made the matching envelope to this card, and it says "Adventure awaits," and it does open up this way, blank. And then on the back, she didn't put her stamp on there, but I will make sure that when I use it, people know that she made it. Super pretty. I love that pattern. And then on the next one, it says, why not? Coffee, why not, right? How pretty is this paper? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And then she rounded the edges at the bottom and then blank on the inside. So super pretty. I love that paper, Isabel. That's beautiful. And then she did include an extra goodie, and these are paper clips, a 6-piece set. Aren't those pretty? Actually, that goes with something that I am working with right now. My niece asked me to help her with something, and oh, these will go perfect with it. So pretty. They feel rubbery. Oh, those are so, who makes these? I don't know, but these are so pretty, and they feel so cute. So, you know, it's soft and kind of cushiony. Isabel, thank you so much. I appreciate your entry. Thank you so much. So the next package comes from Phyllis Fernandez, and hers was in a box, and this is her entry. So it says Phyllis Fernandez, scrapbooking by Phyllis, creating memories for you. And here she is, Phyllis JF@gmail.com. Okay, so that's her email, and her YouTube is scrapbooking by Phyllis. Okay guys, let's go look up Scrapbooking by Phyllis, and let's subscribe to her channel as well. So she did include a note, and I've already read that, so I'm going to move this and show you this cute little pocket. She put her cards in a little pocket. How pretty. Very, very nice, Phyllis. Thank you so much. And let's take this out of here, and look at the pocket. It's nice and wide. Love it. So thank you, Phyllis. So let's do her cards first. Okay, let's do these because they're on the top. In this organza bag, she included some trim. How pretty, look at that. She included some like a silver with gold polka dots. So pretty. And then some pink with some silver stars. Very pretty. I don't have any of this, so yes, very pretty. Thank you, Phyllis. And then she included these gems. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at all those colors. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Thank you, Phyllis. I know I will use every last one of them because I love gems. I sure do. Thank you, Phyllis. I appreciate that. And then these are her 2 cards. So let me move this one so we can focus on one at a time. So this is her first card. How pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at all that layering. And look, she used some of that tulle here. And then this one comes out. Oh, this is a little envelope. She's got a couple of mats on there. Beautiful, beautiful matching colors. And then she's got a little tag on here. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my God. Isn't that trim pretty, guys? Oh, that is so pretty. I haven't seen that one. And that goes in there. And the inside is blank, and it opens up this way. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I love that. Love, love, love her colors. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And then this next one is, oh, that layered butterfly. Okay, guys, look at this card. Look at all those layers on the butterfly. Oh my goodness. Look at that. She used some gold thread. Look at this look at this trim. Those are pretty. I wonder where she's been getting those at. Those are pretty. Look at this. She used, again, a couple of matting pieces or layers, and then a couple more on top of those. She used this really pretty white one, and then she layered the trim And then the butterflies on top of that. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And again, with the colors, this might be Maggie Holmes paper, but I'm not sure. So she's got all these butterfly layers in different sizes, and that just looks so pretty. Look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you, Phyllis. And the inside is blank. Oh, so pretty. Phyllis, I appreciate your entry. Guys, those are the next 3. So it is 5, 6, and 7, and I will be back with the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. You all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.